Hi students, welcome back to online mathematics class. Last class we complete exercise 5 integers chapter. Now we are going to remind two exercises. In this class I explained. I think last class you understood very well. Now today we are going to learn remaining exercise 6 and exercise 7 I explained now. What do you observe? First I am explaining division rule. Positive integer is divided positive integer, the quotient is equal to positive. Positive integer is divide positive integer, the quotient equal to positive. See, 3 positive, 2 positive integers plus 3 divides plus 3, the quotient is plus 1. Next, negative integer divides negative integer. Negative integer divides negative integers, you will get positive integer. Negative integers divides negative integers, you will get positive integers. Minus 3 divides minus 3. See, minus minus cancel, 3 cancel. Answer is a positive integer. Next, positive integer divides negative integer. Positive integer divides negative integers. The quotient is equal to negative integers. Plus 3 divides minus 3. Positive number, negative number. When you divide, the quotient equal to negative. Again, negative integer divides positive integer. Negative integer divides positive integers. The quotient is equal to negative. Minus 3 divides plus 3. Minus 3 divides plus 3. The quotient equal to minus 1. This rule is same like a multiplication. Multiplication and division rules are same. That place you will get product. Here you will get a quotient. In this rule you are using, you have possible to do the divisions. Now we are going to some rules, some more rules. Any integer is divides with 0. Any integers is divides with 0. You cannot define. You have not possible to divide. You cannot define. That value is called undefined or infinitive. Undefined or infinitive. 0 is divides any number. 0 is divides any number. You will get 0. 0 divides. One time you see means any number, numerator integer is there, denominator 0 is there, you cannot define. And numerator 0, denominator number is there, you can write 0. Next, any number is divides with 1. Any integer divides with 1, the same integer you will get. Or any integer divides with minus 1, you will get negative integer. In these 4 points you use it, try to complete exercise 6. In these 4 points only you use it and try to complete exercise 6. Now we are going to the exercise 7. In exercise 7 already we learned last classes some models, that models only. First I explain one example sum. In this example sum only full exercise sums are there. Now see first example 1. Everyone open books, page number 22. Example 1 is there. One time you observe it. In this example 1, in a test plus 5 marks are given. Positive 5 marks are given for every correct answer. Every correct answers you will get to 5 marks, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Corrected question have 5 marks. Incorrect question have minus 2 marks. Here some questions they give. First question, Radhika answered all question. Radhika answered all question and scored 30 marks through 10 corrected answers. How many incorrect answers Radhika attempted? This is a question. He attempted 10 questions, but he get only 30 marks. How many incorrect questions? See, one time you see. Each corrected answer mark plus 5 marks, but incorrect answer minus 2 marks. Here Radhika how many questions corrected? 10 questions corrected. 10 corrected questions marks. 10 corrected questions marks. Each question have 10 into 5, 50 marks. 50 marks you want to get. But she lose some marks. One time see how many marks she lose. Incorrected marks. Incorrected marks or loss marks equal to total score is how much? He already Radhika scored how many? Scored marks 30 marks. Scored marks 30. Therefore, when you take the difference 30 minus 50, he will get minus 20 marks. He lose minus 20 marks. Therefore, minus 2 marks equal to 1 incorrected question. Correct or not? Minus 2 marks equal to 1 incorrected question. Here, how many marks he lose? 20 marks. How many incorrected questions? Minus 20 divides minus 2. When you minus 20 divides minus 2 means minus minus cancel 2 table 1 time. Here 10 times. 10 incorrected questions. How many incorrected questions? One time observe all of you. How many incorrected questions? 10 incorrected questions. When you are observing means one more time explain. Radhika answered each question. Radhika answered all questions, but he got 30 marks. But he attempted 10 questions, but he got only 30 marks. Corrected answer is called 5 marks. Incorrected questions is called minus 2 marks. 10 questions she attempted. 10 questions marks equal to 50 marks. Actually, you want to get 50 marks, but he scored only 30 marks. How many marks he lose? Minus 20 marks he lose. Minus 2 marks, 1 incorrected questions. Minus 20 marks, how many incorrected questions when you are questioning? Minus 20 divides minus 2. When you are cancelled 10 incorrected questions. Therefore, Radhika attempted 10 incorrected questions. In this way, you try to do the second question. Second question, Jaya also answered in this pattern. I think you understood very well. In the second question of the same pattern, you try to do it. Example 1 I already explained. In that question base, exercise 7, first question and fourth question, same model. One time you read it and try to do it. Anyone did not understood? Just after that I will explain. And next we are coming to a second question. Exercise 4, we done basmati bag sum. Same model, they gave cement bags. Just one time read, one time you observe that exercise 4 and again you see to the question and try to do the second question and try to do the homework. And next we are coming third question also easy only. Just to see the temperature sum, decreasing only every hour you decrease temperature. After that you will get the answer. Try to do third question. Now we are going to a fifth question. Fifth question is what? One time you observe it. What they are saying here. An elevator descends into a main shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? One time we observe an elevator descends into a main shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Minus 350 meters they want to reach how long? Here elevator, this is called elevator, minus 10 meters. When you are observing here 10 meters descending, again minus 350 meters ground level. One time observe, elevator minus 10 meters he descended and minus 350 meters. It's an elevator in the main shaft, in the ground level above onwards is coming to down 10 meters. Again ground level to down minus 350 meters. Like this way is descending. How much time is taking in this total distance? See a total descending distance how much? First minus 10, after minus 3, 350 minus 10, total minus 360 meters. The elevator is descended. Minus 6 meters descending time is 1 minute. Minus 6 meters descending time is 1 minute. Here how much total descending distance? Minus 360 meters descending time is called how much? Is a question. Minus 360 divides minus 6. When you are dividing, minus minus cancel. 6 one time, in 360 60 times. Therefore 60 minutes the elevator takes to descend 60 minutes or 1 hour. Therefore here asking question, the elevator is descends to minus 350 meters, means total minus 350 meters. When they want to reach, you have need 1 hour time. By this way you will do this sum, and this chapter also completed. Already exercise 7 exercises are completed. One time you revise it. Any confusion is there, just you call with the phone or anything. And next chapter, next class onwards will start. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.